Hey everyone, this is Altaf. You are watching Altaf classes. I welcome you all to the session on Java mini project. In this session, we will be discussing a project. The project name is quite interesting, online examination. So let's get started. First let me open NetBeans IDE. So why I choose this topic is so you can submit this project in your colleges as a mini project. In this project there are 10 questions. All questions are MCQ. You can choose and bookmark, and in the last you can see the output, how many answers are correct. So first file, then new project, Java application, then next, then I'm giving the project name online examination, online exam. This one no need of create main class, then finish. It's already there, online examination. So right click here there and Java class. So I'm giving the same name, online exam, and then finish. I'm going to delete this one because I have already written this program, so I'm copy pasting. So I've given this one project name is and class name is online exam, so it should match. Their class name is online exam and online exam dot java. So let me save it, Control S, and run this one. Yeah, online exam. So as I said, there is some, yeah, cool. So there are some question, 10 question is there. So first question is, what is the extension of Java code files? So answer is .java. You can give your own question when you are going to submit, some 10 to 20 or 15, how many you want. So first one Java, then next, which of the following is not OOPS concept in Java? Inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, compilation. I have some, I want to, after that I will give the answer. So I bookmark this one. Which component is used to compile, debug and execute Java program? So JVM, JDK, JIT, JRE. So correct answer is JDK, Java Development Kit. Which component is responsible for converting bytecode into machine code? So JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Which component is responsible to run Java program? JRE. Then next, which component is responsible to optimize bytecode into machine code? JIT. Then next, which of these keyword is used to make a class? There, this correct answer is this one. Which of these operator is used to allocate memory for an object? New, malloc, calloc, give. New, hope you already know. This one new will give the heap memory. Then next, which of these keyword can be used to subclass to call the constructor of the superclass? So super keyword. Then next, which of these keyword can be used to prevent method overriding? Final. So yeah, I have this one, inheritance. Which of these following is not OOPS concept in Java? So answer is compilation. Let me submit the answer. Correct answer is 10 because I have given this question. So so definitely I know the answer. So you can give and yeah, check. Okay, let me run one more time. So I'm just, if anyone just pass the exam and just go and cross and then submit result, correct answer is equal to 0. So the question I'm given, let me this one maximize. Yeah, I've given the question in this one, if block. What is the extension of Java code file? And this is the option, class dot java dot text dot js. Which of the following like this? So I've given approx 10 question. So let's understand from starting. Yeah, in these all three are packages, AWT and dot event swing. AWT means abstract window toolkit, and this is the online exam. This one is the class name and extends JFrame implement action listener. Extending means here we are using the inheritance concept, and this one JLabel. I hope you already know the basic core Java. And this one J radio button, J button, and button group. Online examination, here online exam, here I am constructing a constructor, means this one and string s. This one is parameterized constructor, and this one I'm creating a button for next bookmark, and this and for to action listener, and I'm giving the size of the buttons. And this one exit on close, when we are going to exit, for this one I'm given exit on close, null, location visible, set visible means it should be visible, and then one action performed, all this hope you already know. So I'm going to give the this one code in the description box. You can check and you can copy and you can change the question. And for answer, yeah, for first question, what was the question? Yeah, first option is dot class and dot Java. This one, as you know, in the Java, there is in Java, yeah, any code in C also we are start with the index 0 0 1 2 3. So there are 4 options, so I'm not starting with 1. So for first dot Java, the option is 1. Actually it is second one, but in the index it is 1. So I have written answer, correct answer here, boolean check. It will check how many answer you are going to correct, this one. And this one in the final or new online exam of Java, this will print in the top. So this, let me check, yeah, online exam of Java. And this one, this is this radio button I'm using. There is button, yeah, actually. So like this you can use this one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section, and if you have any question, let me know that as well. So thank you so much everyone.